Hey guys, so I'm going to be showing you for this week's makeup tutorial what makeup I did for my birthday. My birthday was this a couple days ago on Wednesday, and so I wanted to show you. I've been doing this look a couple times and I did it on my birthday, so I wanted to show you guys what I did. So this is like a more subtle look, and like I am just in love with it. So I'll show you what I used and I'll insert the pictures. I used a couple colors of this, and then I used this Wet n Wild pinkish brownish, and then I just used the pink, this one and this one, or just this one sometimes. So if you want to see this look, keep on watching. So for the first step, I'm gonna be using this Wet n Wild, and if I look up, it's because I'm looking in the mirror. So, and my hair is shorter. I didn't cut it. This is my natural hair. I just straightened it because I just washed it today, so I'm not wearing my hair extensions at all. So here I go. I'm gonna start with this white one right here. I'm just gonna go like this, and then I'm going like this. This is a very pretty look, ladies. And then I'll use this one. Yeah. And then I'll use this dark one down here. Kind of in a hurry. I gotta be somewhere in a few minutes or get going. And I'm using this pink one. There's the first part. And then I'm gonna use this day to night LA colors, and I'm gonna start with the lighter, use the lighter colors, and then go down to the blue. So this white one, over on that side. And then this one, or I'll show you, this one. Okay. See how it's turning darker, I guess. Oh, I gotta fly away, sorry. And then I'm gonna use this peachy one. So, and this darker one. So, and then I'm gonna use this blue. Show you what it looks like. See? And sometimes I use a lot of this blue because it doesn't show up. Like, it is showing up a little bit, but not very much. So sorry, it's hard to focus in the camera because the mirror's up there. So yeah. So one more time. Okay. Now I'm going to use this pink one. Then I'm going to use this pink one. See how it's pink? Do it again. And I'm going to use the blue again. Sorry, I was looking in there. And sometimes I go back over with this, the pink color. Okay. And then, now I'm going to use a little bit of blue again. See the blue? Okay. Oh, sorry. So there you have it. I'm gonna come back. I'm gonna do my mascara and come back, show you the end result. But there you have it. So this is the end result of my birthday makeup that I did. It's very subtle look. It's a great holiday season look for if you want something subtle. I don't know if you can see on the side right there, but it looks like snow a little bit for Christmas and the holidays. So I'm personally so in love with this look. I will keep doing it no matter what, but please comment down and like and tell me what you think, and please also don't forget to subscribe to our channels. I do weekly updates on Wednesday and Saturday. Thanks for watching.